Okay. Hello, my name is Martin Amkraut, and I am presenting Google Chrome for my INF 499 Google presentation video. Google Chrome was released September 2nd, 2008. Google Chrome got its name from the term used to describe the frame, toolbars, and menus bordering a browser window, which was Chrome. When they launched, this logo was Google Chrome's logo. This logo is now their modern logo. It is in line with the design trend of not making things pop out on a computer. They wanted to push web browsing to the limits. Google always likes to push technology and its hardware to the limits. And the current web browsers could not let Google do that. It prevented Google from innovating. It helped them move computing into the cloud, and it made everything faster. The team that made Google Chrome consisted of domain experts in various fields. Google spent 6 years prior to Chrome's release assembling the domain experts through direct hires and acquisitions. Ben Goodger was the Google Chrome tech lead, or product manager, and he was best known for assembling the Firefox web browser out of the Mozilla SeaMonkey application suite. His being hired paved the way for Google to make a web browser that would be more modern in comparison to other web browsers. In addition to Ben Goodger, Google hired top Firefox developers in 2005 and 2006. The developers included Darren Fisher, Pam Green, and Brian Reiner. Computers now feature multi-core and multi-gigahertz CPUs, gigabytes of memory, megabits of bandwidth, and big hard drives. Google Chrome separates web browser tabs into their own processes, and it offers private web surfing. It multi-threads all communications with the operating system. It boosts cache sizes, and it uses more bandwidth when available. And lastly, Google Chrome used a JavaScript interpreter that Google made from scratch when Google Chrome first launched. These features were not possible in other web browsers. It was so innovative that when one tab stopped responding, you could close that one tab instead of the whole web browser. It was as though each tab ran like a separate and self-contained program, and when you typed into the address bar, you were actually typing into an omnibox. An omnibox is a combination of the address bar and the search bar. It can be thought of as a souped-up version of the I'm Feeling Lucky program that Google uses on their Google search bar. Google wanted to build a better and faster web future with all of these implementations. As seen in this pie chart that I made using data from net market share, Google Chrome has 58.22% of the market share. Internet Explorer has 19.45%, Firefox 11.73%, Edge 5.51%, Safari 3.46%, Opera 1.26%, proprietary or undetectable web browsers 0.2%, and other less popular web browsers with 0.17%. The proprietary or undetectable web browsers could be browsers that use the black market, just so everyone knows. Even in light of Google Chrome's high battery drain, they still have the most users with 58.22%. This shows that users care more about the features than how long they can use their laptops before needing to recharge it. Okay. In closing, Google's business depends on the speed and availability of web access to search, advertise, and use all of its applications. Their introduction of Google Chrome into the market made other web browsers reevaluate the performance and improvements they could make for their web browsers. Google has the ability to make and shake up a market, so Google Chrome is a frontline example of Google's power. Google Chrome shook up the web browser market, which was a stable market, and they now control it in terms of users. These are my sources. These were what I used as articles, and these are the citations for the pictures. Thank you.